How to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. Today I'm going to show you in this complete guide. Cloudstream is a popular streaming app that lets you access content through extensions. Basically add-ons that expand what the app can do. These extensions come from repositories, and by adding them manually, you can unlock more sources and improve your overall streaming experience. To start, open the Cloudstream app on your device. Once you're in the home screen, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Extensions or Manage Extensions, depending on your version. This is where all your available extension sources are listed. You'll usually see the default repository already added, but if you want to access to more content, you'll need to add new ones manually. Next, tap Add Repository or Add Source. A text box will appear asking for a repository URL. This is where you paste the link to the repository you want to add. Repository links are often shared by the Cloudstream community or developers, usually hosted on GitHub or other trusted sites. Always make sure the URL is legitimate. Using random or unofficial links can cause broken extensions or security issues. Once you've pasted the link, tap Add or Confirm. Cloudstream will then connect to that repository and fetch its available extensions. After that, you'll see a list of new extensions appear. Browse through them and tap Install on the ones you want. The installation usually takes only a few seconds, and once it's done, the extension becomes active automatically. You can repeat this process for multiple repositories if you want a wider variety of sources. If you ever need to remove or update the repository, go back to the same section under Manage Extensions. Tap the repository name and choose Remove to delete it or Update to refresh it for newer versions of the extensions. Keeping your repositories updated helps ensure smooth performance and access to the latest sources. That's all you need to do to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. The process is quick, simple, and works across most updated versions, including Cloudstream version 3.2 and its community forks. Just make sure to use trusted repository links and keep your extensions up to date for the best performance and safety.